Here is the 1947 Cadillac Series 75, custom by Derham. Formal sedan, divider window. A great luxury automobile. Great history. William S. Paley was the original owner of CBS TV. Was in his extended family for many, many years. And then was restored in the 1990s. And freshened up just recently. Very functional car, ready to drive and tour, drives great. New tires, new kingpins, shocks done, window lifts all redone and using automatic transmission fluid. This is a great, great car. Particular point of emphasis on these Cadillacs is the grille. This is a big, giant piece of die cast, and the chrome on this is beautiful. It was redone, and it just looks great. No pits, nice and smooth and shiny. Wow. All right, we're going to start the car. 3-speed transmission. The e-brake works nicely. Rebuilt engine, 3-speed synchromesh transmission. It's really nice. Speedo's working. Gas gauge works. Great oil pressure. Charges. Temperature gauge is not working right now, but it'll be fixed.
That's good?
Yeah. Here's the Derham custom body badge. Here's the 346 cubic inch Cadillac flathead V8, original to the car. Nicely set, all correct. Notice the new wiring harness in the engine bay, that's nice. Porcelain exhaust manifolds. Heater is working. Fan belts, hoses, all of that has been done. Shocks have been refreshed or restored. So the shocks are new. The kingpins are done. This car is really ready to drive. Here are the wipers, working very nicely. Here's the window. These are hydraulic windows. Wood. Wow, look at that. It really moves. And the other side. That is an important feature on something like this. Nice. Okay, there's the divider window, down and up. Wow, nice. Here's the interior of the 47 Cadillac. This is an original steering wheel, and it is just beautiful. Really nice. Original plastic. Nice gauges. All original here. Radio, clock, power windows, which we saw earlier. And front seat, there's the divider. Here's the rear compartment. The rear is all original, like the actual original as it left the factory interior. Very beautiful, done in wool. Really, really nice. Jump seats, which do come out. Here, let's see the jump seat. They fold out, both of them do. And very nice. Spectacular. This Cadillac 75 series is a great combination of custom coachwork by Derham, very rare body style, and obsessive owner that has fully prepared this car for touring and driving. It's operational. There's been a tremendous amount of work done to make this car enjoyable and ready to use, as well as be cosmetically beautiful. Absolutely spectacular. Ready to enjoy now.